children. Today we are going to learn that something called prepositions. Prepositions are words that shows the position of something. To practice the preposition, we have a little duck here. Now the duck is on my hand. In this sentence, on the word that is preposition. A preposition is a word that tells us where a person, a place, an animal or a thing is. Now I am going to place this duck here. Now we can say the duck is in the basket. Here in is a preposition. When the object is inside something, we use in. In is a preposition here. The duck is in the basket. I am going to place this duck here. Now can you tell me where is the duck? Yes, the duck is on the basket. Here on is a preposition. The duck is on the basket. When the object is top of something, we use on. Here the duck is on the basket. Now I am going to place the duck here. Now can you tell me where is the duck? Yes, the duck is under the basket. The duck is under the basket. Here under is the preposition. Now I am going to place this duck here. Now can you tell me where is the duck? Yes, the duck is in front of this basket. The duck is in front of this basket. In front is the preposition here. Now I am going to place this duck here. Can you tell me where is the duck now? Yes, the duck is behind the basket. Now the duck is behind the basket and behind is the preposition here. See here, now I have two baskets. I am going to place this duck here. Now can you tell me where is the duck? Yes, the duck is in between the baskets. The duck is in between the baskets. Between is the preposition here. I made few cards for different prepositions. Each of these cards shows the different position of duck in relation to this basket. I am going to place this duck here. Now, can you find from these flashcards where the duck is now? You need to find a matching flashcard from this to show where the duck is now. Yes, the duck is in the basket. The duck is in the basket. Can you show me where the duck is now? You can find the matching flashcard from here. Yes, the duck is on the basket. This is the matching flashcard for this. The duck is on the basket. Now I am going to place this duck here. And we need to find the matching flashcard for where the duck is now. The duck is under the basket. This is the matching flashcard for under the basket. Now the duck's position is here. Can you find a matching flashcard from here to show where the duck is now? Yes, this is the matching flashcard for this. And the duck is in front of the basket. The duck is in front of the basket. Can you tell me where is the duck now? Can you find a matching flashcard from here? Yes, this is the matching flashcard for this position. The duck is behind the basket. The duck is behind the basket. Now I have two baskets and I place this duck here. Can you find a matching flashcard for position of duck here? Yes. The duck is between the basket. The duck is between the basket. I have arranged prepositions flashcards here and its reading cards are here. You need to read each card and match it with the flashcard by seeing the position of duck. On. We need to find the duck is on the basket. Yes, on. The duck is on the basket. In. We have to find in which flashcard the duck is in the basket. The duck is in the basket. Under. The duck is under the basket. Between. We have to find where two baskets are placed and the duck is in between two baskets. Between. Behind. We have to check in which flashcard the duck is placed behind the basket. The duck is behind the basket. In front of. In front of. The duck is in front of the basket. Let's do an activity with prepositions. Can you tell me where is the clock? Yes, the clock is on the table. Can you find where is the dog? Dog is in the box. Can you tell me where is the cat? Cat is on the chair. Where are the books? These books are on the table. Let's find where is the footwear. It is under the table. Let's find the position of table. The table is in between chair and box. Prepositions are words that tell you where something is located or positioned compared to something else. We use prepositions all the time when we are describing people, places and things. See you soon. Bye-bye.